Maromo ringre ji apar kod aboro oyud kawuono e gweng' Mashaka Hola e kaunti ma Kilifi. Makoro kelo kwan ringre moseyudi nyaka 39 chakre nyocha obila chak nonro mano mar manyo joma dipo ni osetho kaluwore kod tweyo mano oketgigo kod jadolo makoch Paul Makenzie Nthenge. Familia mar joma manyo wedegi magiparo ni ne jadolo makoch no wuondo koro kwayo piny owacho mondo mi oketa mahine golo ringre joma no osetho moiki. Winjo gires joma pod ngima. Riwruok makedo ne ratich oganda Haki Africa bende okwayo piny owacho mondo mi kika chak kumo jomores ni mar ma miyo jok ma pokores luoro kendo giringo gilal e bunge.
Nilikuja hapa jana kutafuta sister yangu na watoto wake wawili. Ombi langu ingekuwa wafu wale washakufa wasitafutwe kwanza. Kwa wale wako pale watafute wale watu wazima wale bado wanakimbia ama wamefungiwa. Kwa hiyo kikundi nasikia iko kikundi mbili. Kuna wale wazima wanataka kutoroka na kuna wale wazima wanawaambia nyinyi lazima mkufe.
Individuals who have been indoctrinated by this ideology are totally refusing to be rescued. Today we just had a lady who was brought in by the police. We tried to administer first aid, but he completely refused. You could see the body is weak, but he refused to open his mouth even as we were trying, to put some water on the lips and, a few sips of water. We are appealing to the government. The rescue mission requires urgent beefing up so that we can get more officers to go inside to get these, victims rescued. The other issue that we need to talk about is the police should treat these as victims and not as criminals. The fact that some of them are being charged, with suicide or attempting to commit suicide is, pushing more and more away from coming forward and surrendering.